Hi guys, Johnny O here. I've been accumulating a bunch of parts for the Grand National project, so it's time to make another video and document some parts here. I got a new front cover for the motor. Mine was damaged somewhere, I think around the oil pump area. So the engine builder guy said, let's get a new front cover. And this is a front cover with a high volume oil pump. And with this, they give you the cover, they give you the hookup that goes where the oil filter goes on, and this bolts on. Oh, this bolts on over here, and some seals, and we've got internals for the oil pump with the gears and the springs and everything. That's the high volume setup. And this came from gbodyparts.com, and they also sell a combination that doesn't have the high volume oil pump. So whatever combination you need, you can find it there. And in addition to the oil pump kit, I got an oil pressure booster plate. I guess these things wear sometimes when the gears are in there or whatever. And this comes with gaskets and all the hardware that you need to bolt it up with. I also got a set of brand new bolts. They're ARP bolts for the front, or for the cover, and the water pump that goes on here. There's a couple small things. They're fittings that go on the intake manifold. Some new door strikers. I think mine have a wear mark on them, so I figured we'll just grab some new ones. They're not too much money. New ARP bolts for the intake manifold. This is a new rear main seal. It's not the rope type, it's the neoprene rubber type. And this is supposed to be much better as far as not leaking at the rear main seal. I know the rope ones leak. That's the stock type of seal. This is the metal plate that goes underneath on top of the motor, but underneath the intake manifold. And this comes with more seals that are in there. I got mirror gaskets again. I ordered mirror gaskets a while ago, and then I discovered that the gaskets that I ordered did not have the little crease on them. And that crease, this sets on the door, and if you look at your Regal doors, there's a crease on there, and that has to be molded to the proper crease for the doors. The gaskets that I had did not have a crease on it, and I bet you those were Monte Carlo gaskets. And I probably just ordered some generic gaskets, and they were the wrong ones. I got a mini starter. This is a higher torque starter. This is supposed to work with the stock flywheel setup. Let's see. I got new valve covers. If I remember correctly, these are Champion valve covers. And G-Body Parts offers a bunch of different options for the valve covers. These are powder coated black, and they're also taller than the stock valve covers, so that gives you a little more room inside for some of the internals if you're going to change anything or need more clearance for some stuff. We got a new oil pan. This is a RJC oil pan. It's has it's a deeper sump, so it will hold more oil. And I'm not going to open that up because that's all packaged up. But that's the hardware so that the oil pickup will go down deeper in the pan and pick up the oil from the right spot. And they give you an option on gaskets that you want. I got the cork gasket because I was told that the cork gasket will not leak with this pan. So we'll show this to the engine builder, and we'll see what he wants to do, if he wants to use the cork gasket or get a different kind of gasket. Oh, I got some padding that goes on the in the trunk behind the rear seat. Had a mouse get in my car, and they like to chew on this stuff, and they chewed through it and went back and forth between the trunk that was in the wintertime when it was stored. So I'm going to replace this padding, and the padding that's in there is the original padding, so it's 30 some years old, and I'll probably replace all the padding like this throughout the car, underneath the carpet and wherever else it needs to be replaced. And then lastly, I ended up buying a new gas tank. And the reason I bought a new gas tank is because I replaced the tank quite a few years ago in the car, and it ended up being a tank that had no baffling inside the tank. And when that tank got in there, I realized right away when you gas it hard and you don't have a full tank of gas, you watch the gas gauge, it'll go down like from a half to a quarter, and then it'll come back. Well, that's the gas in there moving all around inside the tank. And I really prefer to have the stock tank with the baffling in it. And G-Body Parts offers a kit where you can get the tank and the insulator straps, or the insulation that goes underneath the straps, and the straps. So I went and got the kit, and we'll have the guys put this in when they put the car back together. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. All this stuff came from gbodyparts.com. Thank you.